Hi guys, in this video we will see how to change ChatGPT Instant Reply for faster answers and thinking mode for detailed answer. I have tested Instant Reply and Thinking Response. Here what happened. Launch ChatGPT and here type your question. For example, who is the Prime Minister of United Kingdom or England? And press enter. And you can see this is fast answer. England does not have its own prime minister. The positions you are thinking of is the prime minister of the United Kingdom. England is a part of the UK. Who is the prime minister of France? Such type of fast answer you will receive. If you change it by thinking mode, you can see instant for everyday chats, and if you change its thinking mode and type again the question under thinking mode, press enter, and you can see this reply response is taking times for detailed information. England does not have its own prime minister. It's part of the UK, the prime minister, since it so and so. So it's after you change fast answers to thinking, it will take some times and verify various sites, and then ChatGPT will reply to your question. So if you choose fast reply, then choose instant reply. Otherwise choose thinking in ChatGPT mode.